we spoke about taking advantage of the gold for the simple reason that it had that triple inside day. Now, I spoke to you and I said the key is the breakout of the inside day, but the real key, and this is something I'm very excited to let you guys know that the footprint course is it's on the verge of launching. And one of the things we really dealt with, in excess through every one of the 10 trade strategies was identifying that clue. Okay, in a nutshell, the footprint is hands down the single most important tool that I have, and I think that most traders have, simply because we can ultimately pick up on nuanced shifts, and that's what the footprint's for. It shows you those sudden changes. Okay, now why that's key in brief: a breakout trade. A market will only break once initiative comes in, once a large influential participant comes in and initiates. Now, you can see that initiation in one of two ways. One is the price ladder, okay, and obviously you can pick up on certain changes in the price ladder, but the other is the footprint, okay, and I'm going to show you what that change looked like just before the break and ultimately how you could have taken advantage. Okay, so we have the gold footprint. This is a 5-minute rotation. Note the market went into sideways mode. Now this is so typical. This is classic, like a textbook example. Okay, markets will always. Let me rephrase. The best breakouts come when markets consolidate ahead of the break. Okay, that's a real golden rule of thumb. If you observe breakouts for a couple of years, you'll recognize the best breakouts always consolidate ahead of the break. Now, the first observation, note the lack of initiative at these low prices. So what you can see is that every time the market came to this lower end, or the low of the day, no one wanted to be a seller. Okay, 29 by 0, 26 by 0, 68, 2 lots. Okay, no one wanted to initiate. Suddenly, we get this imbalance. And this is the first clue. Okay, we get this imbalance, and the market offers down. Now the real clue, and we spoke about this quite extensively in the footprint course, this is the real clue here. It's this little 3 boxes here between 17 and 17.2. Now I'm just going to share it with you, take a picture of it. But what looks very different here, and this is where the footprint is so fantastically revealing. The major difference is not just the change in the color of these boxes, okay, but it's the change in the participation. In other words, in every one of these previous rotations, sellers would not commit to lower prices. Suddenly, what did sellers do here? Sellers committed to lower prices. How do we know? Because suddenly, there was 360 lots traded at 17.2. There was another 320 lots traded at 17.1. Okay, a sum total of 500 contracts traded over 2 prices, when previously, for the last almost 40 minutes, there was a lack of commitment, a lack of initiative. And that's the key signal. That's the key takeaway. Once that came in, bang, you're in. The breakout is on. It's game time for the initiative. And that's what we got. We got that initiative splashdown. Our entry point was quite straightforward as well, right on those 17.1s, all the way down. A good 35 tick move, which was, lovely, guys. I mean, we're talking about almost a 50% extension of the morning's range. Okay, so a lovely, fantastic, fast money move. And again, then the process of consolidation. Okay, that's the key elements of the breakout. That is ultimately what we look for on the footprint to learn to trade breakouts. Now, if you are serious about your trading education for 2018, I urge you, if the footprint, you like the concept, if you like the understanding behind it, this course is absolutely jam-packed. It has everything. I mean, we're talking principles, how the footprint tool works, the setup of it, strategies, how to execute those strategies, the clues, everything is included there. There will be some free sections for you guys to take. So again, if you're interested in that, just email the info and Axia Futures team, and they can provide you with more information.